Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's class. Hope you all are good. So, in the previous class, we have completed the first question and answer. Am I right? Yeah. Have you all practiced that question along with answer? Very good. You have to practice. And are you all writing the homework, whatever I give? Right, very good. You all have to write the homework and take a picture, then send it to your concerned class teacher. I hope that all my students are getting very good grades. Isn't it? Are you all getting a good grades? Very good, my dears. Okay, today, now also take your classwork. After the first answer, what you have to do? Leave one line and then write the second one. See, I'll write the second question on the board and then you have to note down in your classwork. Before you note down that, you have to leave a line after the first answer. Soon after the completion of first answer, leave one line and note down the second one. Okay, right. Second question. What do monkeys not have with them? What do monkeys not have with them? What do they not have with them? The answer is the monkeys, monkeys. The monkeys do not have have any musical instruments, musical, musical, instruments, instruments. The monkeys do not have any musical instruments with them. This is your second answer. Look at the board, my dears. You have to write neatly with a finger gap between each word. See here, the finger gap and then monkeys, finger gap, do not, finger gap, have, finger gap, any, and then finger gap, musical, again finger gap, instruments, a finger gap, with, finger gap and them. After them, you have to write the full stop. Okay, look at the board, my dears. What do monkeys not have with them? What do they don't have with them? Do they have any type of musical instruments? No, they do not have. To play the music, what they did? They started hitting a hollow log and they started shaking a dry gourds and then they tied a vine creeper, a plant, to the couple of trees to play music like guitar, isn't it? All those they arranged all the things what they have in the forest as to play the music. Am I right? Do they have a guitar, violin, tabla, all those? No, those monkeys do not have any type of musical instruments. That's what the question is. What do monkeys not have with them? What they don't have? The monkeys, T-H-E, the, read along with me, T-H-E, the monkeys, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys, the monkeys, D-O, do, N-O-T, not, do not have, H-A-V-E, have, any, A-N-Y, any, musical, M-U-S-I-C-A-L, musical, instruments, I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S, instruments, W-I-T-H, with T-H-E-M, them. So my dear, this is your second answer. Okay, write with a neat handwriting. Give finger gap between each word. Okay, after writing this, please take out your small copies. Take out your small copies. I'll write here itself. Okay, till here it is second one. Okay, till here second answer. Now, small copy. Write today's date. Take your small copies. Small copy. This is homework in small copy. You don't write small copy on the page, okay? 24/9. Write today's date and note down the first word. Branches, and the second word chattered. See, this is your homework. You're in small copy. Then take out your diaries, all of you, and your daily work is read and practice question and answer 2 times. This second question and answer you have to read and practice for 2 times in a rough notebook and take a picture, send it to your concerned class teacher. Don't forget to write your particulars, your name, class and section. Okay, after writing, please send your homework to your concerned class teacher. Okay, my dear, that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.